Hello everyone, my name is Gunani Nikita and today's date is 18th June 2024 and my topic name is cricket should be the national sports of the India. In the cricketers are the popular and they are niche for their which can be needs for the changes and pay to use the sum of the monies in the taxes. All this money comes from the crickets and but the making it is and the national games can be directly discourages the inclination towards other games. So the cricket should be the national games of the India. IPL happens every years and you can see the people changing their work schedules to watch the IPL match to the it is all about the craze of the crickets and that are also not for the first time and it is an Indian can manage their jobs by the watching the crickets. So cricket is the national sport in the India and it is a what if it yes or no. For the last 20 years the cricket is and the India has been the performing excellently as websites suggest that cricket is and the most famous sports in the India and you can see the cricket every children's medley poisoned about it and almost all the people get deeply involved in the games. In the simple word, a cricket is and the Indian each and the also and access the Indian houses and in the BCCI the cricket that have been the marketing and encouraging the cricket. It is and the richest cricket board in the world and it is and in the world in the additional it can be and richest sports controlling their authority in the India and no sports authority can be manage their games in the world but the like the BCCI the India was the won the third World Cup in the India and the two championship trophies and it can be and also the prestigious and tournaments of the money and popularity of the amongst the few fashions in the crickets even that are also and the players at the junior level can earn the handsomely and whereas players of other sports that can be don't in the it is one of the motivating factors offering the financial security and motivating players to play the cricket as well. The changes besides the cricket is and the law of the nature. If the Indians want to be change their national games and welcome the changes, the people finds the games more readable and connected with the them and in the other word in the additional they are can enjoy the cricket more as compared to the hockey or other games. Whether you can look for the overall cricket, overall craze of the India and citizens for the any sports, it is and only these games. Indian treats cricketers even that are also and as the gods and people blames the government for the not the putting efforts from the other encouraging suppose and but no effort that are also and will become the into the wildness of the locals and people don't support it because of the cricketers can have the both money and the friends in the besides they have to pay a big sum of the money in the taxes all of these things that are also came from the games of the cricket. Cricket has the most frame as compared to other games in the India. Large popular companies are invest the plenty of the money in the cricket. Sport in India is and the types of the games played in our country like tribal games and mainstream sport including the crickets that are also and badminton and football. The diversity of the culture, the people, tribes and its can be the colonial regency. It seems the multiple sporting disciplines of the cricket has the hosted and owned the multiple crickets in the World Cups and making it is and the most famous sport in the nation in the India. In the games, game units are also and the nations in the different ways. No other things does matter. All peoples forgot the differences in languages languages, beliefs their cultures, and watching our national cricket teams after the seeing the Indian cricket players, and the cricket is and the national level sports in the world. That's all about the crickets. Thank you.